Are you having problems customizing your table of contents in Microsoft Word? Then watch this short video tutorial as we will show you how to edit and update the table of contents in your Word document. Now first up, add first your table of contents by clicking the location where you want to insert table of contents. Click on the References tab, click Table of Contents, and select an automatic style template. Now in order for you to update the contents, click the References tab, select Update Table, choose Update Entire Table to apply all the headings and page number changes, or you can also update page numbers only if you want to refresh the page numbers without applying any changes you have made into the headings. Once you're done editing it, you have to select OK. And in order for you to style it, click the References tab, click Table of Contents, choose Custom Table of Contents, adjust your general preferences, click Modify, select Style, choose Modify, make your changes, then select OK. So that's how you can create and edit the table of contents in your Microsoft Word document. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.